Okay, here's an interesting variation of planar copier made of an angle grinder. The bearing slides along the stencil that goes at the bottom. It mounts on a piece of plywood and is fixed on these thrusts. The grinder moves along the axis. When the area is processed, you should put the table down. I think many electricians out there will be interested in this next thing. It's generally helpful when you do wiring. If you ever had to work with cables, then you probably know that sometimes it can be very inconvenient, as it often gets kinda messy. To prevent that kind of inconvenience, it is always a good idea to use an unwinding machine. It's made of a profile tube and has an adjustable diameter. The rotating mechanism is made of garage door hinges. If you consider yourself the kind of person who prefers connecting wires by brazing them, then perhaps you might want to use this interesting instrument. It'll automate the process of curling up the conductors. The coolest thing is that it's really easy to make one of these. All you're gonna need is an old drill and a piece of pipe that will haul the wires together. Notice that you might want to fix the gaps in the drill in case if it's too old. Here's another electricity-related thingy. It's the magnetic trap. It's a sort of mini clamp with the neodymium magnets attached to it. As you can see, there's a metallic tip. It's a rather helpful adjustment indeed. It'll help you stretch the cable even through the tiniest hole. If you have the task of cutting out intricate patterns of a foam rubber or styrofoam, then it's best that you use this baby. The helix was taken from the spiral kettle. The transformer turns 220 volts into 12. The stretch happens due to the spring and the bracket. To simplify the cutting process and increase its quality, you can use this slide rail. It will provide the necessary accuracy, ensuring that the chisel is placed perpendicularly to the rod.